of system or duplication. Yan. No clear training system to help team members duplicate success. They join another MLM with a proven system. O ganun talaga, di ba? Kung walang sistema ang kumpanyang sinalihan mo at yung upline mo walang sistema, okay? Walang proven system na kagaya ng Get 3, Help 3, 7 level, diamond ka, di ba? Napakalinaw nun, napakasimple. Talagang lilipat ka kung walang system na sinusundan, walang direction. Sabi nga, my people will perish because lack of vision. Kung yung nagli-lead, nangunguna, walang vision, di ba? Yung nagpa-follow, di alam kung saan pupunta, walang direksyon. Talagang makikwit yan, lilipat yan. Pero ibang usapan yung hindi ka naka-plug in, kaya wala kang direksyon. Magkaiba yun. Kasi yung mga nag-stay, naka-plug in. Kasi yung vision, yung pagli-lead ng leader, naririnig niya kung saan papunta. Malinaw, may pupuntahan. Merong mararating. Hindi ka talaga gi-give up. Kaya mapapansin nyo, yung mga gumi-give up, either walang vision yung tagapamahala, yung pinagkatiwalaan, or yung follower, hindi nakakonect. Coach Janet, Coach Ian, anything you wanna say? Lack of system or duplication. Kung bakit nagta-transfer ang ibang distributor in other MLM company.
Isa lang masasabi ko dyan sa akin, Coach, GPS lang. Our roadmap to success, get in, plug in, stay in. And among those three, yung plugging in ang very crucial. And we have programs to do that. So meron tayo from basic to mastery trainings. We provide that now sa basic training and now. So importante lang na mag-plug in kayo dyan and you will not get lost. So, yun lang po ang masasabi ko dyan pagdating sa slide na yan.
Anything you wanna add, Coach Ian?
Yeah, lack of system and duplication. Actually, ang ganda nga ng system ng company. Tama. And of course, sa DMW, tama yung sabi ni Ma'am Janet na the trainings are already provided sa basic training pa lang. No, the trainings talagang really valuable. Ganda ng natin sa DFW. And of course, as leader, no, kung like may apply man na like walang system, mayroon naman tayong DMW. May system naman tayo sa DMW, may mga trainings naman, araw-araw may Zoom events tayo. Now, kung meron man na like, for example, you want more, why you make you can add up kung ano man yung system na gusto mo sa grupo mo. No, if you're someone nagsisimula, so you learn the business. You learn the business by immersing sa Zoom training natin until sa time na may maisip na like ano yung kakaganda palalo. So you create. As a leader, we create, we build.
Tama, ganun ang leader dapat talaga, di ba? So, apply the system ng mga coaches, ng mga upline, pero dapat naka-plug in ka. Then, if you wanna add, if you want to suggest, mag-suggest ka. Gawin mo sa team mo yung gusto mo pang i-add. From Bishop, vision is not taught, it is caught by consistently plugging in. Plug in talaga Ayun. Buti na lang ang tayo merong system, and duplication system. Kailangan lang talaga makarating sa mga downlines natin. Marunong tayong mag-cascade. Kagaya ng Oplan 30, Oplan 30 na gusto nating i-apply para sa pag come on ng mga new blood sa ating team. Apply lang talaga.